Hey guys, so behind me I have a 2022 Toyota Tundra in midnight black with a cockpit red interior. Let's get into this thing. So hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So this is my first time in person seeing midnight black on the TRD Pro Tundra, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So in this video, I'm just gonna do a quick little walk around of the exterior of the truck, show you guys that beautiful cockpit red interior, and then we are gonna take it on an off-road trail as well. So this is midnight black metallic, and it's one of my favorite blacks that Toyota has offered because there's a little bit of blue in it, there's a little bit of purple and green in it in the right light, but in the TRD Pro stance, this truck looks sinister. Obviously it has a little bit dirty wheels because people have been off-roading it a lot here at our event, but the truck looks really freaking awesome in midnight black. So let's go ahead and look at the outside a little bit. You guys get the upgraded lights for the TRD Pro, nice projector housing. You do have the marker lights too up here up front that say TRD right inside of them. You have the TRD light bar, fog lights down below, and the technical camo too. So technical camo all down right here, technical camo all along the side of the truck too on the wheel wells. The new BBS wheels with the Falcon Wild Peak AT tires. These are about a 33-inch tire on this truck, and those new BBS forged wheels that I think personally look really good on this Tundra. All Tundras are Iforce Maxes, the TRD Pro, so it says TRD Pro here instead of Iforce Max, but they all have the hybrid powertrain. Just look at this side profile of this truck. Awesome, 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 awesome. Coming to the TRD exhaust too. I like it idles. You guys can take a listen. The Tundra TRD Pro for 2022 only comes in this Crew Max configuration with a 5.5 foot bed, so no more double cab configuration with a 6.5 foot bed for this truck. Coming to the back too, you still get some of that technical camo on the rear bumper and up here on the little tailgate spoiler. Rear marker lights in the back. Truck has a nice composite bed too. Tailgate you can open this way, or also with a little bump button right here to open it up too. Coming around the side of the truck, you have marker lights on the wheel wells. And then you have the Fox suspension on the truck too. Let's go ahead and open up the doors. Skews the camera gear all over the place, but look at this. Black on red. And I know a lot of people don't enjoy the cockpit red interior, but I think the cockpit red interior is absolutely awesome. Technical camo follows into the cockpit red interior, but red on black looks good. The only gripe that I have about the TRD Pro interior is the white headliner. I really, really wish that they carried the black up and really made it nice and dark in here, especially with the black interior too. The black camo interior with a black headliner, oh my gosh, it would look so good. Here you have Toyota spelt out heritage style on the dash. Love the interior of this truck, man. So freaking good. And here we are up on some rocks, guys. Truck is performing the way it should, just like when we were out in San Antonio with this thing. But man, driving the black cockpit red interior, it's awesome. All right, let's get back in this thing. Hop back in. So the 4 colors that you can get for the TRD Pro this year are this black, the solar octane over there, lunar rock, and white. And I think black of the normal colors looks really good. Haven't seen it in lunar rock yet, but black and the solar octane are absolutely stunning. Here's all your gizmos and gadgets right here. TRD light bar, gas door, your automatic lights. Center console, nice soft text material here. We do have it in for low for the obstacles and articulation we're gonna hit. Multi-terrain select, crawl control, the big button right there, your nice rear locker, camera views, we got all the camera views going on for the truck. Dual climate control, all those goodies in this. Panoramic moonroof too. Tons of space in the back too. Love these door cards, man. So freaking nice. Truck looks so good. You guys definitely need to see it in person. really awesome. So that, guys, is just a quick exterior of a midnight black 2022 Tundra TRD Pro. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. If y'all are new around here, definitely consider subscribing. Tons of Tundra content coming from this week out here. Driving impressions, MPG, pricing, all of that stuff coming later on this channel. So guys, if you're new around here, definitely consider subscribing. Returning subscribers, as always, I appreciate your guys' support, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.